guys, welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, welcome. Why did I make this weird? Today, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, sorry, I'm like okay, this is my shoe. Love it. My favorite shoe ever. No, I'm just kidding. Ew, messy closet. Don't look at it. Just don't. There you go. I just like, I think I triple knotted this on accident. Yay. Anyway, but if you like the video, hit the like button, the thumbs up button, whatever you want to call it. And if you like my account, you know, like things that I post, I am just like a random channel. I'm not like just an art channel or just like a squishy channel or just like a makeup channel. I do all of those, and I will probably be posting a like makeup video later after I do this video because I'm really bored today. Okay. Oh, what did that hit? I don't even know what that hit. But today I'm going to be showing you guys my squishy collection part 1. I technically have 2 collections, kind of. One at my dad's house and one at my mom's house. Lucky me. Ew, look at that shoe. It looks like a waffle or something. Okay, this one got off much easier. Like this. And you can see the dent in my shoes. And I'm gonna show you guys. No, I'm not. Okay, the first question I have though. There was one squishy that I was here like last week or 2 weeks ago, I don't even know, and I was just kind of like looking through my squishy pile, and I have never seen it before, and I swear this isn't fake, this isn't like made up. I swear, like I pinky promise to you with the camera, like I freaking swear I've never seen it in my life until today, and I was like, hold on, what? Because I just wanted to go see it before I made this video, because why not? And I get squishies are kind of out of style, but like I'm still freaking out over that squishy though. Like, what the heck? No, I do not play with demons and things. I do not. No. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing a squishy thing. And yeah, so let's get started. See, the sliding makes my face look red. And it's because the light is coming off my cheeks. Good lighting, or okay lighting, I guess. And then like you like down, and then like the light is reflecting off of like pink, and it's making my face look very pink. Beautiful. And when I might be doing a tutorial on how to paint something. I don't know what though. So let's get on to the video. Hop on down here. And there's one under my bed that'll give me 2.5 seconds. At the end, it'll be that is like, it randomly popped up in this one. It's this weird looking avocado. And once again, I swear this isn't fake. I've never seen this in my life. And it just like popped up in here and I was like, whoa now. But yeah. Wait. One of the fingerprints stayed longer a minute ago. Like, look at that. One of them's deeper. Same pressure. One of them's deeper though. What? Look. Look at that shine though. That shine. It's not that shiny. It's like a matte one, I guess. I don't know. But it shines around the finger hole after I lift my finger. Cool beans. So we're done with that one. And a few of these actually have a story behind them. You know, and a lot of these my sister gave to me because she was like, I'm too old for squishies. And gave them to me and I was like, I don't want these, but okay. I don't know if this is my unicorn because I have one at my mom's house and I don't know if I brought it over here or like what. But I don't know if this is mine because maybe, I might not. But I think it is, to be honest. And I got it from Books A Million. Squish it. Look at that rip under her neck though. Whoa, I'm about to behead this unicorn, like, you know, like, off with your head. Okay, next is this Peach. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. But you know if you ever, like, squeeze air out of something, and it makes that, like, noise? That's what this is making, and I don't know how it is, because, like, I don't know if you guys heard that. That kind of sounded like a squeaky toy. Not very loud, though. Anyway, Peach. Sister gave that one to me, too. And I don't know if this is my apple or, like, what, because mine had a gigantic rip in it. So, you know, I just don't know what kind of squishies I'll find in here. You can, like, hang it from stuff, too. The next squishy I have for you guys is, it has a story behind it. So, we were up at my dad's work, you know, going to get a drink and eat lunch and stuff, you know. And it has, like, this, like, stage kind of, and sometimes bands perform there, you know, like, my phone just felt like I messed with the charger over here. Yeah, like, you know, you got me, and it had a railing. And I saw this sitting on the railing like that. Like it was just kind of sitting on the railing. And I went over, kind of touched it, or I grabbed it, and I realized it was one of these squishies. When I found it, I had just seen these squishies, and I had really wanted one. And I ran to my dad, and asked if I could have it, or keep it, and he was like, yeah, sure, as long as the owner's not here. And I was like, okay. There were no kids around, so I just presumed. And I think someone did leave it, you know, you see it. I think someone did leave it up there on purpose, you know. Because I know some kids here did that. Look at all the rips, though. There's so many rips. And that was how I found it. It had all those rips. So don't think it was I who made that. The next one, this one is, I will always love this one because it was like the second squishy I've ever owned. And it's like a little milk bottle, like. And the next couple of squishies, it's 4 of them. They belong like together, and one of these is mine. The other 3 of them were my sister's, and she gave them to me because she's too old. And I said, like, we said this was like the daddy, the mama, the sister, and the brother who was really tan, apparently. This was mine. This was the one that was mine, by the way. It's like a little family of little pandas. Oh, so cute. I know. So, yeah, you can't just, like, show those separately. No, they have to be sold. Not sold. Shown together. You know what I'm saying? And this one is a little croissant, and look at this peeling though. These like peeling everywhere. I don't even know how that happened, to be honest. It's like a little croissant. I got this for my birthday or for Christmas one year. I think it was a few years ago, but like, okay. Look at how peely that is. Like, I could peel it off. The paint and stuff. It's horrible, the paint job. Just peeled that off of it. No, that's nasty. It is kind of slow rising, so I like it. And the next one has this kind of a story, but not much. This, I think I ordered this online. And this app where you can buy used stuff or some of it's new or whatever. I don't even know. And I bought this little turtle. And when we bought it, it had like 2 brown eyes and like a brown mouth, I guess. I don't know what the material is. But the mouth came off. And then it came like this. It has like this weird like wrinkly foot over here. You can't really see the wrinkles, but I can in real life, you can. And then it had like this weird looking one that's like kind of wrinkly, kind of like mashed in. I don't know what happened there. And it came like that. And it also came with all these rips in it. Like, look at that rip. No, no. No, no, no. Oh, and then it has like a rippy neck. And, okay, so. Anyway, and I ordered this, and my older sister was like, I'll pay you $10 for that squishy. And I was like, okay. Oh, no, I think I said, she's like, oh, I want that squishy. And I was like, okay, you can pay $10. And she was like, no, no, no. And then we went through a whole bunch of numbers until we got down to 3. And she paid me $3 for this amazing squishy here, like, and it ripped right here in the buttocks, or like side of the butt, and she literally used super glue to repair it. And she was like, I'm a squishy repair shop, and I was like, oh my god, you're so weird. But look at, it's like wrinkly and shiny there. It's a white turtle. Okay, can I roll it into a little roll or something? Turtle sushi, anyone? Ooh, this was really on my knees. My leg is like resting on a whole bunch of squishies. Next one is this little hamster thing. Ah! That's fun. I also ordered this online and gave it to my sister. And look at the ear though, it's like literally ripping off. Oh no! Look at that. It's super amazing. Oh no, what happened there, hamster? Whoa. It's like, I'm gonna cut this open. Look at that, the skin is like attached to something. I could like peel the squishy skin off. It's like kind of sticky right there, I guess. Can you see that? Whoa. Cool. Nice. I might cut this open one day. See what's in its squishy cup. But other than that, it's really squishy. I love it. Look at the hamster. It's pooping on me. Sounds like my new favorite song though. I don't know who it is. It's Post Malone and someone else. I think it's by Post Malone or someone else. I don't know. I know it's by Post Malone though, and it goes like, all around. Gave you anything, and I gave you everything. And next we have this little Hello Kitty donut, and it did have a whole bunch of like rainbow sprinkles, but I peeled them off so my little sister could play with it and wouldn't die on the sprinkles, like choke. And look, it's like licensed and everything. It says Hello Kitty. Isn't that nice? Okay. Next one is this little hard one that I got for Christmas, I think, like last year. Okay, and I've always wondered what this really is, because you see, it looks like a rabbit, but if you were to hang it like this, what is it? What is it? And it's really hard. Okay, next one is this little owl. Me and my sister one year for Christmas or something, we got matching little owls like this. And this is hers. I think my little sister took mine, to be honest. Oh, look, I have another panda bun that is exactly like that. I think this one was mine, the other one was my sister's. I don't know. I don't have a panda bun. It goes with the rest of them. And this was, because my feet on my owl, like, fell off. Like, they just, like, ripped off. And my wing was coming off on my owl. She never really played with her, so, like, it didn't really get messed up. Hers was in, like, perfect condition. And I was like... Because she literally kept them in, like, a drawer in her dresser. So I was able to get them. Sorry, that's been there the whole time. It's like another hour. Tweet. Ooh, slide. Yeah, I think my little sister took mine. Like, yeah, you little horrible child. And this one, it's like really easy to squish, but it's like it rises as soon as you let it go. Like, look at that. You can't even like see any kind of rise there. But when you hold it down, you can kind of see a rise, I guess. Kind of, but not much of a rise. Oh, shout out to my little cloud wall sticker there. Like, all of the rest of them fell off except for that. No, I'm just kidding. I think I had to restick it like so many times. And this was also one of my sisters, and she got this from Walmart. Like, literally Walmart. Like, Walmart got upgraded. And it's getting kind of ripped, but that's okay. It's kind of hard. But, like, that's okay. I mean, it's from Walmart. It's from Walmart, like, yeah. And then I gave her this little tooth one, too. Got it online, and it has, like, a rip right there. So, whoa. I'm gonna numb your face. I'm just kidding, my mouth is over here. What? This is actually kind of comfortable. I have like a squishies and I have like some pillows and it's like super comfortable. I can just like go to sleep here. Oh, night guys. Okay. I don't know where this one came from. I know I got it for Christmas or my birthday or something. I think I got it for Christmas. I drew really hard. I think it came from Michaels. It's licensed too, you know. Can't really read it though. Not on camera with this bad lighting though. But it's licensed. And it's like a little hard, squishy, you know. It's like deep dish pizza or something. Like, look at how thick that crust is. I only have like 3 or 4 more. This was a pineapple squishy. And my sister was using this to decorate her room and then just gave it to me. Look at that. It has like holes right there. I don't know if you can see that. It doesn't have like a super slow rise, but it has a rise at least. Beautiful. Oh. I don't want to hit the charger again because it makes the phone go like. Okay, this is like super like aesthetically pleasing. When my sister first got it, and we were both like falling in love with it. I thought it was like the softest and like slow risingest squishy ever. It's definitely not the softest, but it is one of the most slow risingest squishies I have. And watch this. Look at the dolphin. His fins. They're like falling off right there. And you know, it's okay though. I don't know where I think we got this online too. My stepmom used to be like, that's where we got all our squishies from, was like Wish, this little app called Wish. And, oh, sorry, this just like rolled onto the camera. Okay. And, yeah. Okay. Let's see this. Now this, my sister gave, oh, and you actually have the tag. It's from Squishy Home. Don't know if you can read that, but that's what it says. Squishy Home. Kawaii Squishy Slow Rising Collection. I don't know where she got this from. This isn't even slow rising though. Like, watch this. It's almost as slow rising as like this one, but I think it might even be a little slower, to be honest. Yeah. And I have one more squishy I just put big under my bed for it. I will video for you guys. Okay. No more way to play. I'm okay. And then I just found this pillow that I've been looking for like, oh my god. Freak, I'm all coming from my wings. Oh no, it's phone unplugged. Okay, oh well. Not squishy anyway. It's just this little cake. And all this was mine. And I pinched like the strawberries like this. This one's coming off too. Like that. So many times they're like coming off. These two are coming off too. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them already came off. 4 out of 6. But otherwise, it is a really good squishy. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, I got into my bed, guys. So like, it's so messy. I really need to clean that. I just don't have the time. Well, I don't even know what's in here. Oh my god! Amazing! Why do I keep turning the camera around like that? Okay, stop. Turn back around, stupid. So I'm gonna plug. Whoa, this is really warm, and my phone is only on like a little bit of percentage. It's not on like 100 or anything. And I know that for a fact. This is also my sister's charger. Mine stopped working, so she was like, "Here, you can just borrow mine." And I had it for like 2 months, and so haven't returned it. But yeah, I think it's time to. Oh, no, it's still on June, July. Nice, July 4th, guys, Independence, yes. But yeah, I think it's time to end this. Before I do, I want to show you guys. Pleasing. Hello. Okay. My sister's birthday. I don't even know. It's a narwhal, because narwhals used to be my favorite animal like a few months ago. Now they're rhinos. I love rhinos now. Like, look at this aesthetically pleasingness. I literally love it. I think it's time to end this video. Bye, guys.